How'd you do this one?
Congrats.
Thanks. Good morning, everybody. We are in Paris. We got here last night and we are heading to Spain today. We have a 6-hour train to Barcelona. We literally have no space left. The lift is full of suitcases. Oh my gosh, this lighting is beautiful. But yeah, we're off to Barcelona now. We're gonna be staying there for a week. Morning guys. Sorry, it's really bright. So I'm either squinting or I've got my sunnies on. Like it's literally not even sunny, but it's like I just can't see. But anyway, this morning nothing has happened. But we're gonna go into town. We're gonna go walk around a bit. I'm not really sure where or what, but we're gonna explore. Also eat this bread. I don't know what it is or where it's from. My parents got it this morning, but very yummy. It's got like really fluffy insides. Okay, I'm getting hot now. I'm gonna go back inside. Bye guys.
Alright, let's do this.
Well, my friends don't care about everything as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. So tell me if I'm starting to.
Hi guys, it's really cool. We're in Where are we? I've got audio guides. We're in Pedrera. It's a cool house. Walking up the stairs to see this from the lift. Let's go upstairs. 6 floors. What makes it funny?
I just hope that I remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will miss. Well, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's nothing wrong with sharing my mind to everyone else. Everyone else, everyone else will think that it's weird, so maybe I might start keeping it clean and bear with the whole unusual feeling. I'll be alright, we'll be alright, we'll be alright for 2 or 3 days, but after all the conversations have died out, I'll play the music from the beginning, and then we all just see it again.
That's like a chicken.
Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with our own eyes and take a risk and I just hope that I remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will miss.
Good morning. We have come to the Science Museum today and there's an underwater rainforest.
the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other.
I want chance to be fair.
Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't
Wave
been
it around
so
now.
happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever.
Oh, they're artifish.
Wow, what does that mean?
They shoot. If there was like a frog coming on the branch, they'd shoot the water to hit it.
How's it going, man? I just wanted to check in with you and see how things are going on your side. Yeah, I really think I'm gonna marry this girl. Seems like it's for real this time.
The Familia Sagrada.
I don't know any. I can't remember. Is that the garlic?
We've come to the Sagrada Familia today. That's about all I have to say. But it looks pretty cool.
Contemplate life, oh yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear, oh yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in the stars.
Apparently there's 400 steps down, so we're getting our steps in today after this fell.
I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet, so I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting, times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by, oh. I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers and just disappear, oh. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like
Hi friends, we were, as you saw, at the Sagrada Familia, and wow, it was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it was such an impressive building. Be there for a sec. Wow, this is great lighting. We are now heading to the beach because it's a really warm day, and I think it's about the warmest day we're going to have. I I forgot my sunglasses and I forgot a bottle of water, which I now have in my bag. Let's try and go again.
Soaked in nostalgia slowly, all the leaves they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cold wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was our bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat, but it's now.
So yeah, I didn't film anything at the beach because turns out it was kind of a nudist beach. Like half the people were like wearing swimmers and half weren't, so I don't really know. Like obviously you just can, and I think maybe we just ended up on a bit that was like a bit more nudie than the rest. Also the water was really choppy and you couldn't even really go in it, so like you could, but it was just so like the waves are massive and so strong. Like it was all a bit of a chaos. Anyway, we had pizza this evening and it was that's all I've got to say. Bye.